Hi guys, wanted to show you a little bit of our home recipe here with the ash that we use all the time. So generally we burn some leaves and twigs in the evening, whether it's for barbecue or to chase the mosquitoes, and then next day what we tend to do is make our liquid fertilizer, and that's the best way I like to apply it, a little bit of that extra phosphorus and potassium to our garden. So this is what we basically do. We pour a little bit of water to our barbecue, and basically we have holes at the bottom of our barbecue machine so that the water starts to trickle down into our bucket, and that becomes our liquid fertilizer. And this is super good because it's so easy to apply when it's in this liquid form. We just simply pour it out into our flowering plants. Azaleas and blueberries, they love this stuff, and anything basically flowering that needs a lot of phosphorus would like this. Anything that also needs a lot of acidic soil, they also love this. So we tend to just pour this liquid gold into our plants once it's done. So a very simple application way to do it. So basically the drilled hole at the bottom of the barbecue machine is just seeping out all the ash, and then we're getting all the good stuff here in the form of liquid. And we know the source, it's all from our wood around the property, so super safe to burn and use.